EMO is always kind of feeling the pulse of manufacturing, and that's what we expect, to get more information about what's going on and see how business is developing, especially when you look at the major issues here for the show, which is sustainability, which is automation, which is digitalization.
Oh, it's fantastic. I love being back in Germany. It's already looking pretty busy. So as you can see, we're still focusing heavily on aerospace. That's the biggest sector for us. So we're offering a full range of tools in relation to aerospace, as well as the medical and power generation.
I'm at EMO for the innovation, the technology, and also for networking.
A lot of new things to see here, different robots, different machines. I think that's the future.
EMO is really important for addressing the challenges of electromobility. All manufacturers have decided on investing in electric vehicle technologies. They are planning their platforms. As the companies who are doing here the exhibitions do a lot of innovation addressing their challenges, and I'm very excited to see that.
EMO obviously is one of the most important shows of the world for us. Cobots is still, I would say, a rising star in productions, especially for smaller industries who are now facing difficulties with the labor force. You can switch positions wherever you need it, and you're very fast able to have a third, even night shift with unmanned operations.